Here, you can pour it in here. We'll do this one first.
Please.
Okay. Pour it in here and I will say stop.
Mom.
Okay, slowly. Slowly.
No, Mommy, this is mine.
Oh, see, it's very, very full and we're already making a mess. Let me do this part, okay? I'll help you a little bit because it's a lot of milk. Pour it in.
Mommy,
Okay, wait.
a big mess.
It's a big mess. We're gonna have to clean up. Okay, then put
Mommy,
this in.
please.
Okay, I'll let you pour the other one in, okay? We gotta warm this up first. Then let's clean up our mess.
A mess?
Yeah. No, I'll do this one with you. You just like pour. Okay, perfect.
It's done it. Mommy, a milk.
Yeah.
A milk there.
All right, let's see. Is our milk good?
A white bit.
No. We need it to be more warmer than this. All right, so now while we wait for our milk, let's do our
beds. Then the basements. Then
No, don't touch the eggs.
Mama, please.
Okay.
Mommy, a pool.
Okay, don't touch. Right, so
Mommy, a mess.
okay, you put it in. You want to smell it? Smells good, right?
A mess good. Mommy. Mommy, I need to enough me.
You're gonna mix it up in a minute.
Like a kid.
And then a quarter.
It smells good.
It smells good?
Mommy,
Yes.
I smelled it.
I already smell it from here on. Let's see. I already smell it from here. Autumn, you're gonna mix it. We're gonna put a little bit of
Mommy,
sugar.
I smelled it.
Sugar is supposed to help activate it even
Mommy,
better.
a pool.
Pour it in there.
Thank you, Mama.
Oy, oy, oy. Oy, oy.
What? A sugar.
All right, we're gonna mix it up, okay?
Peace. Da-da.
Mix it up together. Okay, that's good.
That's good.
We're just gonna let it sit and do its thing. Okay?
Daddy here.
Daddy's here, yes. Now,
Daddy, a bed. Up there. Daddy, I'm here. Daddy, I'll make a bed. I'll make a bed.
Just wait.
Make a bed. Mommy, I'll make a bed. Mommy, I tell Daddy I'll make a bed. Daddy. Mom, I make a bed, Daddy.
uh-huh.
I'll make a bed. Daddy, I'll make a bed.
Honey, what am I need, honey?
What of your bed?
What are you even saying?
Wait, to make a bottle.
Make the bed?
Wait, our Daddy.
Daddy's here.
Yes. Hi,
Say
sweetheart.
hi, everybody.
I
Hi,
see.
beautiful. You want to see?
I shop.
Yes, I shopped. So cute.
Daddy,
Yes, gorgeous.
Can you do it over?
Perfect.
I'm me.
Nice sweater.
I got it.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Shopping bag. Daddy, a shopping bags.
Yeah, shopping bags. That's right.
Shop
He's got some
bags.
shopping bags.
Shop bags. Daddy. I'm making.
Wait, I'm just melting your butter a little bit. Alright, let's get our dry ingredients in there. We need
Onions. No onions. I have the dirty onions. I have the onions. I have the dirty there.
Right.
That's right, cutie. What do
I
we
have
need?
the onions.
That's for feeding everybody. Yes, I
Right?
know.
Cheers.
How's everyone doing?
My chocolate.
Alright, Autumn, let's put this in here
I
now.
have a chocolate, the big mask. How about it?
Oh, we got bad news, Ruth. You broke rule number 78. You opened up a new milk, and we already had one open.
Just
Not
drink.
good.
Mommy,
Derek,
please,
you
please.
just got these milks 2 days ago. It can stay in there. It's
I
not going
know,
bad.
But let's not break that rule again, please, okay? I love you.
Mommy,
Okay,
apple.
I'll give you a pass this time.
No, I'll give you a pass. How about that?
Because you're great, babe.
And here I am, breaking my back to make him this. Right? I could just throw it into the garbage. Here,
No.
let's put this in here. 1 cup. It's just flour. Autumn, don't eat it, please. Okay.
Mommy, I put it on again up.
Okay. 2 cups.
Mommy,
Wait. Stop saying mommy every 2 seconds.
I am mommy I babe.
You can say whatever you want.
3.
Apple.
1. And,
Apple.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah.
right?
Alrighty.
And now, so then this is number 4.
Let's see here.
Apple.
And then it's a lot of flour. My goodness. I don't think I've ever done 4 cups before.
I've
ever.
seen 4 cups before.
I know, even though it's just 4 cups, it feels like it's a lot.
I don't know. Is it the right type of flour you're using?
Yeah, I'm doing. I don't know whichever one was in the thing, but I'm using that, and then I'm
Right.
using.
Well,
This is the That is 4 3/4 cups.
Just use pumpkin pie spice.
Really?
This has everything
Same
in
thing?
it. Look, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice.
I know. It's asking me to use.
Just this is fine. Trust me, this is fine, babe. This is good enough.
My suckers. Daddy,
Yes.
look.
What? Your toes?
Look.
No. I see.
Right. So now I'm putting in all of the spices at the
What?
moment.
Look.
I see it. Oh.
So all the spices are basically
No deal.
1.5 teaspoon ground cinnamon.
Salmon. I love
Yeah,
salmon.
don't even worry about that. Here.
Please, salmon. Please.
It's yucky. You're not gonna eat it, Autumn.
Just throw
put
this
it
whole
in.
thing in there, babe.
No, put it in.
No, I'm not gonna throw the whole thing in
Throw
there.
in a bunch of it.
I'll use it, but I'm not gonna throw the whole thing in there.
Mommy.
Okay, babe. It's
Mommy.
okay. I'm saying hi to everybody.
Mama.
Everybody. Yes, she's a chef. I know, isn't it great?
Mommy.
Oh, I can't wait. I can smell the yummy. Did you have the cardamom yet?
Not yet.
No, look.
Oh boy.
Daddy,
My favorite.
look.
I know, I see. Here it is. Let Daddy take a whiff of that. Oh yeah. Oh
Oh.
yeah. Let's
This
bump a
is-
line. No, I'm just kidding. Joking.
Okay, so there's in 1/4 teaspoon allspice. I don't have allspice, so we're just gonna use the
Mommy, apple
pumpkin spice.
The pocket bites.
Summer, Autumn, it's not for eating. My goodness.
Please.
You wanna put it in?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Mommy, I'm done.
Okay. 1/4 teaspoon. Nutmeg.
Peace.
Perfect. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom.
Peach.
Yes.
Baby.
Okay, put it in. Perfect. Cloves. So the cloves, actually I do have cloves. It's only asking Derek. Derek Jason.
The old claw broke, so I had to get this one.
You got another one?
Because the other one broke, so I had to get this one. We don't want them to break.
Oh,
It broke, so I had to get this. Ruth.
You don't have to get it though.
Yes, I
That's
do.
the problem. You
Yes,
buy
I do.
things.
I need this.
We need
This
to
is
get
very
rid
good.
of.
No, this is something we
What
need.
would you possibly need?
I need
for
it because I don't have the I'm so thick.
Can I have it, please?
And this thing's I can reach under things with this thing.
Can I have it, please?
No, it's a tool, not a toy.
No,
It's a tool, not a toy.
Because you know why? They can imagine that a man will be using that around the house.
That's right. Well, you know the thing is, my
Imagine.
mom had got one. I'm like, Mom, why'd you waste your money on this? I could just get it. She's like, no, because you're not always there, or you don't always listen to me, whatever. I'm like, ugh. But then I started using it. I'm like, you know what? This is actually pretty handy. Because like, who wants to move? It's annoying moving big pieces of furniture sometimes. I'm like, I just don't want to do it. I'm too lazy. So I just like go reach underneath it. So I like the thing. I actually dig it. Plus I can pinch you from a distance.
Pinch? Why would you need to pinch me from a distance? Why do you have to?
You can carry a charger with it, see? Mom, look.
Yes.
I can carry a charger with it too. Carry
So
a charger.
nice.
See?
Yeah. Alright, so this is salt. And then teaspoon.
Peace.
Yeah, put it in.
No. Mommy.
Put it in.
Put it.
Perfect. Now we're gonna have to put this one.
Hey,
Put in
Mama.
the sugar. This one, put this one. Alright.
Mommy, I took a piece.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't taken a
Okay,
piece.
put it in.
Alright.
Carefully, eat it. Alright.
Ruth, Mason's here.
Who's Mason?
Mason. It's not who, it's what is Mason.
Oh.
Look. That's what you got, babe. Look at this, guys. Mason. All right. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Now you're going to be making the rolls in this thing?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you
Right.
sure?
You are here to talk to me.
No, I'm not. I'm just... Mwah.
He looks so
What?
cute.
I know. Are you getting jealous?
Says that when we're
I know.
hugging.
Yes, we're hugging. Look, we're hugging. We're kissing.
She
Uh-oh.
gets so jealous.
No, she wants the hugs and kisses.
I don't blame her.
Ruth, I'm going to put this down over there, okay?
Okay.
Because no one can see it. Don't worry, it's not going to block the camera. Just relax. She always gets
Right
angry.
here, right? No, I
Blocking the camera.
don't. I don't.
I'm back on camera.
That smells good.
So, Autumn, I needed to go stand over there. Way back there. Thank you. Come, you can help me. Let's do this one.
Peace.
We're going to turn this on. It's going to mix it up.
Enough of a rock making on.
We're going to lock it. And then Mommy, okay. Mommy is going to turn this on. And then don't put your fingers in there, hear me? Okay. Whoa, there.
Go.
Pour this in, okay? I want to show you, don't touch anything inside, you hear me? If you put your fingers in there, it's gonna grab your finger. So this is what it looks like. It's foamy on top.
Okay,
It's ready.
Mommy. It makes guts.
Here. You're too close. You can look at it from over here. Right. will get rid of that thing. I will get rid of it, I tell you. I can't believe you got a new one. You hated that thing so much. You gave your mom such a hard time getting it. And you went and got it. Okay, let's do the batter last. But right now we're gonna break our egg in here. Yeah, we're gonna break. Okay, you're gonna break one egg. I'll break one egg. You break one egg.
And I will eat roast beef.
Here, break it in here. Here. Okay, now open it. Oh, no, open it. Right, let's wash our hands now. Okay, what is the
With the what?
Can you wash your hands? Okay.
The pumpkin spice?
Here, come on.
This? The pumpkin spice?
No.
I'm just gonna eat my sandwich.
Oh shoot! Where is my charger?
Summer.
Computer is done. No, it's okay. I got it.
You got it.
Computer is done. I don't know what else goes in there. Don't touch anything on them.
Look at that dough.
Mommy.
No more colors though, babe, okay?
What do you mean?
The colors last time. I didn't really care for colors.
I meant twing.
Yeah, no colors, okay? Thank you. Summer, have some of this. You like roast beef?
Come on.
Want some roast beef? This is really good.
All right. So,
Oh, that's the end, too.
2
Okay.
vanilla extract. And butter. All right. Cool. Yeah. I'll take this.
Hi.
Let's pour this in here. This is vanilla extract. Okay. Okay. Put it in. Don't. It's yucky. Put it in. Put it in. And then, last but not the least, you're gonna drop in the butter. Yummy, yummy butter.
Beef sandwich.
We're gonna drop it in like this, okay? Soft butter. Soft butter. All right. Can you try the butter? Boop. All right. Yummy, yummy. Over there. Take a little piece on the side. That's it. Okay. Now move back. We're gonna turn it on. Too close. Uh-huh.
Not pancakes.
We're making cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Don't touch. Don't touch. Put your hands next to you. We gotta change our handle now, okay?
And mommy, and the tapes. Mommy.
You can talk with your hand, not your hand. Not your mouth. I mean, talk with your mouth, not with your hand, okay?
Yeah.
I know. Alright.
Mommy, are you touch it?
Yes, you can. Touch it. There you go. Now, take it and put it in here, okay? We're gonna get our little. There we go. Very nice. Good job. Put it in there. Perfect. Thank you for asking me before you put your hands in here. I like when you do that. Feel it? So nice, right? Put it in here. We're gonna switch this out.
I want the hands. Hi?
You wanna wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to show you kind of like what it looks like now. Kind of looks like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and knead this. That's why we switched the handle to the hub.
I'm done, Mama.
Alright,
I'm done.
you done? Perfect. Okay, now put your hands next to you again. When I click that button, I'll put your hand on me. Now put it in the wall. Wait. Turn it off. Thank you. Okay, now you turn it on. Perfect. Okay, now it's gonna knead it. You can watch from over here, okay? Here, in your hand, just like this.
I got Mommy.
Come on. Get in there. Right, while that is going, I want to prep my table.
Mommy.
Don't touch, okay? What is that? Water? Lemonade? Don't touch.
Oh, done.
You got all that.
Mommy, oh, done.
Don't touch. I didn't tell you to touch that. Did I tell you? It's not done. Mommy didn't tell you it's done, so it's not done. Okay? Don't touch. Look at it from afar. Alright. Okay, we're gonna lift it up.
Mommy, I have it.
You wanna have it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's divide this in half. Mommy will take out half. You
A
take out the other half.
piece.
Wait.
What happened?
Okay, take that one. Yeah, put it over here. Perfect.
Some more.
Uh-huh.
What? Some more?
Okay, what we're gonna do is Autumn.
Some more?
We're gonna
No, you're making
here,
up.
this is yours. And this is mommy's, okay? We're gonna do this. Barely doing anything. Autumn, am I gonna have to knead yours too?
This mommy's.
Yeah.
This
See?
Autumn.
You have to push it down. I know that's Autumn's, but push it down with this arm like this. Look at mommy. Push and then pull. Push down and then push out. Push down and then push out, okay? No, don't push it all the way to the end of the... Oh my gosh, all right. Okay, Autumn, can I use this one now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, use this and then give me yours, okay? There you go.
No.
What do
No.
you mean no?
No. 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 Yay.
Mm-hmm.
It right there, hand.
Yeah. We don't want to put it on our hand, okay? Just use only inside of your hands to roll it out. Good job. Do you know what this is called? It's called kneading.
That's
Kneading.
an
Kneading.
Nan.
Okay, can we put it together now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it together, and we can do it together like this. Because now we're done. Okay, we're gonna put it in a bowl. We wanna put it together.
Look, mommy, please.
Please what?
Please.
You're gonna put it up. If this thing falls, we're in trouble. Okay?
Mommy,
Okay, mommy,
no.
I'll have to wait. Mommy will let you put it in a bowl. Don't worry. Okay.
Mommy, give me.
Wait.
Give me.
We'll get a bowl and then I'll let you put it in there. Okay? We're gonna spray the bowl. Can you spray the bowl for me,
Yeah.
Autumn?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Let me get the bowl.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I can't.
Okay.
Ah.
Right here. Give me a spray, okay? Can you do it? Push this
Yeah.
button and push it in there. Oh, like this. Nice. Okay, now I do it, okay? We're gonna pick this up and put it in here. Perfect. Very nice. Okay. And here we have it. We're gonna cover it up, okay?
You do it to me.
Let's use this one. Go back. Let's get a new one. Okay, let's get a new one. And that's it. We're gonna put it in our oven. Get a little bit warm in here.
No, Mama. No.
It's gonna go in the oven because it needs to rise.
No, Mama.
Hmm?
No.
What? Oh, this?
No.
It's gonna go. What?
No.
Oh, no.
What is this?
This doesn't go in. It's not on. It's not on, Autumn. It's not on, okay?
No.
Oi.
Daddy.
We have to cover it up.
No, Mom.
She knows it doesn't. It's hot. It doesn't go in the oven.
Mommy.
But look. The oven is not on. It's only so it doesn't sit on the counter. Give it to me. Come on.
No.
I know. It's not gonna burn.
Please. No. Please. No.
Autumn, what did I tell you? It's not on. See? It's just gonna sit on there. Because look, our counter is so crowded. We have to clean up. And guess what? Excuse me. It needs to rise. It's not gonna do anything. I promise. Okay? Let's see. Let me think. What else can mommy put on top? It's okay. It's just gonna rise. So I always use this. Okay? It's going to make it rise. Alright? Look, see? Look. It's off.
No.
It's off. It's just sitting in there. Alright, are you gonna help me clean? Or are you gonna run away? Which one? Run away or help me clean? Run away? Don't you dare. You're gonna help me clean. Let's clean, okay? Oh no. I'm gonna put this on top. And that one is for Daddy. You wanna cover it up? You wanna cover it up? I think I put everything in. So it's gonna rise, and then we will be back to make the sauce. We have to make a sauce. We have to make a filling. The filling obviously is gonna go in. Once it rises and we roll it out, the filling is gonna go in there. We'll come back and do the filling. And then the frosting. Basically the whole day. What? What? Pick you out? What are you, a baby? Get out of here. Get out of here. What are you, a baby? I have to clean. Look, can you put this in the fridge? Can you put the milk in the fridge?
A baby.
What do you mean, baby?
Ah.
Put this milk in the fridge. Thank you.
Mommy, that's it. Please.
Okay.
Please.
Yes, he said.
Hey.
I'm gonna have to leave all of this on here because we're gonna be using it for the filling. Which is good. I don't have to put it away now. The flour I'm gonna put away because we're not gonna use it anymore.
You did get a bag of chips for summer too. There's 4 bags.
Okay. Here. Yeah, I need this. I need this. Summer. There's no reason for you to scream like that, please. If you don't want to be disturbed, go into your bed then. But don't sit in the living room and then have everyone be quiet around you. come back and make our filling. Good morning, everyone. It looks like you turn the oven on to put the bread in. Oven should be off. My oven is actually cold, and it's not gonna rise in the cold area. So I turn it on for a minute, allow it to get a bit warm in there, and then I turn it back off again. You can actually also leave it on like 100 or 150. It needs to be warm in order for it to rise. It's not gonna rise in the cold oven. So everyone's oven is different. Mine is colder. Yours might be warmer. It really depends. I haven't really cooked anything this morning, so my oven is cold. It's freezing, so that's why.
Autumn, what? I know. Want to play tablet? You can play.
Oh yeah?
Uh-oh, it doesn't work anymore. I have to try.
At the store, they have small baking tools for children that's so small as her hands, as she can make her. She has a lot of baking tools, actually. She does. She has a whole box downstairs. We're just making it together, so we're not doing it separately. She's just helping me bake. She can always bake by herself, which she does all the time, but right now she's helping me bake. So there's no need for those little tools at this moment. Anyways, gotta go. We'll back to make the filling.